So it's been a while. Welcome back. Basically, this video is going to be me talking, ranting about why I even made a YouTube channel and why I'm so passionate about the ocean. So instead of just explaining why I started this channel, I guess I'll take a step back and talk to you guys about why I'm so passionate about the ocean, why I'm in love with the ocean. And I think, so for me, I think it all started when I was a kid. I grew up in the Bay Area in Northern California, and my favorite beach or area to go to was Monterey. And I don't know what it was about Monterey, I just loved it. It made me feel at peace. I was always so happy. And of course they have the Monterey Bay Aquarium, which I think what sparked my interest when I was really little. But so every year when it came my birthday, we each had a birthday wish, and every year I would pick to go to the Monterey Bay Aquarium. I think my favorite part though was when I was watching the scuba divers be in the tank and they would feed the sharks or clean the tank or doing research, whatever they were doing. I thought that was so cool. And when I was little, I was like, I'm gonna be that person when I grow up. I'm gonna be the one in the tank feeding those sharks, and that's just what I wanted to do. That's what I wanted to be. And it's funny because up until I think 2 years ago now, I just learned how to swim. Fun fact. Yes, so I didn't know how to swim all my life, being around all that water. I just never had the opportunity, and I think when I got to a teenager or my high school years, I was just too, like in that awkward phase. I didn't want to tell anyone I didn't know how to swim. But during my high school years, my parents moved me here to Arizona and kind of just forgot about it. I think it's just being stuck in the desert and not seeing any water. And I decided, well, I like art, so I'm gonna study art. Well, I still do like art, and I do really like painting and all of that, but I just couldn't see a future in that for me. And then I really sat down hard one day and was thinking about it, and I was like, what am I passionate about? What do I want to go to school for? It dawned on me, like, when I was little, I wanted to be in the ocean. I wanted to be around sharks. I wanted to swim in those tanks. I wanted to be a scuba diver. I mean, a scuba diver is not a job, but it kind of pointed me into the right direction. So I think at the time I was trying to do business school too. I tried a lot of different things, and so I stopped doing those classes. And I signed up for a scuba lesson here in Tucson at the shop called Desert Divers, which is now 72 Aquatics. And to be completely honest, I was so nervous. Like, my whole body was shaking. I didn't want to go in the water. I was thinking to myself, like, what if I hate this? What else would I do? This is what I always wanted to do. This is what I love. And it's scary. It was scary not knowing. But whatever made me decide to step out of my shell and do something that I always wanted to do, and I was too scared to, even though I didn't know how to swim, I'm so glad I did it. So glad. The moment I got into the water, everything changed. I was at peace. I was happy. I don't know how to explain it. I was just so happy to be in the water. And at the time, since you're a new diver, I wasn't allowed to use my GoPro or anything. once I was certified and I had a few dives in, I wanted to take my camera and film everything. And basically I wanted to go back home and show people what I saw and have people feel the way I felt going into the water. And that's kind of where this whole YouTube thing started for me. Seeing how beautiful and how the sea lions come up to you and how playful you are, and I thought it was this huge scary thing that I had to conquer, and it wasn't. And I've always been this shy, reserved person, and I think that's one of the reasons why I love the ocean so much, is because I felt almost like I was home. I know that's kind of a funny thing to say, like, obviously I can scuba diving, I can only be under the water for an hour or so, roughly, but I was at peace, and I could escape from whatever problems I was going through, or my busy work schedule or something, whatever. For that hour, I was just completely like at ease, and I never felt that way before. And then I decided, well, what if I take this to the next level? What if I can convince people that sharks aren't so bad? What if I can convince people to use less plastic in their everyday lives? Just little things made me think, well, what if I can take this video thing to the next level? I have a lot of videos that I haven't filmed yet and I want to do. I can't always afford to go on all these fancy trips as much as I would love to. But I did do a challenge where I used no plastic for 3 months, and I still need to put that together. I'm done ranting. I am going on a trip soon to Mexico with my bestie Sarah, and we're gonna go sailing and hopefully see some sea lions. So I'll be filming that soon. But if you guys have any suggestions, anything you guys want me to talk about, let me know. But yeah, I don't know why I keep doing this. I don't do this in real life. That's all I have to say. So I'll see you guys soon.